Welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix automatic third-party cookies enabled here in Google Chrome. On the upper right corner, click the three dots. Click Settings. Go to Privacy and Security tab. Go to Site Setting. Scroll down until you see Content and under that is third-party cookies.
Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're new, special welcome to you. You see, guys, my team and I have been working every single day to make videos just like this one for you guys. And for those of you who are subscribed, I just want to say special thank you. And I really appreciate the support from you guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video useful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. That's going to give this video a like and it gives a signal to YouTube that this video was helpful. Thank you guys for that. I am so sorry to interrupt your video, but I'd really appreciate this tiny but massive support. Thank you guys.
Here, what you should do is block third-party cookies. In this way, sites cannot use third-party cookies to learn about the actions or data that you take on their websites. And so this is an added layer of security. And here you can also choose your preference whether to allow related sites to see your activity in the group or turn this off. So in this way, you will be more protected when it comes to your information online. Thank you and see you in the next video.